Let's learn about birds. Hummingbirds are birds native to the Americas and comprise the biological family Trochilidae. Hummingbird. The northern cardinal is a species of bird in the family Cardinalidae. It owes its name to the red color of the plumage of the male, which recalls the red clothes of cardinals. Cardinal. Parrots, also known as citizines, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrot. Hoopoe are colorful birds found across Africa, Asia, and Europe, notable for their distinctive crown of feathers. Hoopoe. Rupicola is a genus of birds that includes two species called cocks of the rock, belonging to the Cotingidae family. Rupicola. Macaws are a group of New World parrots that are long-tailed and often colorful. Macaw. The Lory turaco or Nisna turaco is a species of bird in the Musophagidae family. Nisna turaco. Peacocks, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds most closely related to pheasants. Peacocks inhabit warm climates of the southern hemisphere. Peacock. The southern cassowary, also known as double-wattled cassowary, is a large flightless black bird. Southern cassowary. Hornbills Buceratidae are characterized by a long, down-curved bill which is frequently brightly colored and sometimes has a casque on the upper mandible. Hornbill. Pelicans are large, 105 to 350 centimeters, essentially piscivorous aquatic birds. Pelican. The golden pheasant is a species of bird in the Phasianidae family, order Galliformes. Golden pheasant. A vulture is a bird of prey that scavenges on carrion. There are 23 extant species of vulture. Vulture. Toucan is the standardized name for certain birds of the family Ramphastidae. Toucan. The birds of paradise are members of the family Paradiseidae of the order Passeriformes. Paradise bird.